Hey, what's up guys? Lanigo14 here, soaring back into everyday life with another video. And in this video we're going to be teaching you how to make the dual Sledgefire back holster that I showed off in a previous video. So this is what I'm going to be teaching you guys to be building today. As you can see, it holds two Sledgefires, which you can then draw and shoot. And replacing them back in is slightly difficult, but can be done a little bit better with practice. Like that, and then like that. So yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so for this project I decided to not do a full tutorial, and I just decided to take some pictures of the process and then show you a slideshow and explain to you how I did this. I didn't really have time to do a full tutorial, so sorry about that, but I do believe I have provided enough information for you to complete this project successfully. So if you do have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below. I will answer and help you as much as I can. Alright, so for this project you will need one pair of scissors, one pencil or other writing utensil, duct tape, and a crap ton of cardboard, which you can see over there in the side of the photo. You also need two old belts, but we'll get to that later. So you want to start off with by tracing around the edge of your Sledgefire to create a template, and then you want to cut out said template, and then you want to trace it onto the rest of your cardboard and create four identical templates. These will become the sides for your separate Sledgefire holsters. And next you want to cut out a couple long strips of cardboard. These will wrap around the edges of your templates, and those will become the sides that way. And as you can see, I didn't have enough, my strips weren't long enough, so I ended up cutting out a couple more. And then you want to bend it to fit around your template so that you have created the other sides of it. And you can see here's another photo of it, give you a better idea. And this is me. This is the second strip that I had that made it the right length. And then this is a blurry photo, but you can kind of see that I'm splicing it in there. And then you want to duct tape everything in place. And then you want to duct tape on your second side. Next, you want to repeat this process with the other two remaining templates and strips. Then you want to tape these two sides of your holsters. To tape the two things together as securely as you possibly can. You want to use as much duct tape as possible for these steps, because the more duct tape you use, the stronger your holster will be. Next, we're going to move on to making the belt straps. These will be the straps that actually hold it on your back. So you want to take a strip of cardboard and then fold it into three pieces so that it is the length of so that the middle portion is the width of said belt that you are going to be using. And next you want to tape it on at an angle in the lower corner. And next you want to secure it in place with more duct tape. And here's another view of it from the side. And next you want to tape another one in line with that at an angle, so you can see one is over here and one is over there, and the belt will go in between them. Next you want to make a third one, and so that you have three, and then of course you need to make four the same way and connect them with belts. And that is literally all there is to this project. Very simple to make and very easy, and quite sturdy if you make it correctly and use enough reinforcement tape and also put some effort into it. You may need to trim certain parts along the process and make sure that things fit while you are doing this. That will ensure that your holster has a good fit and that they are nice and snug in there, because if you make it too loose and you make the side strips too thin, then it will be too loose and you will get a lot of rattle, and it will not be a nice and snug fit, which will make it a lot more secure. So yeah, that's all there is for this tutorial. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please comment, like, and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. I really do appreciate it. Please let me know down in the comments section below what you thought of this project. And that's going to do it for this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.